Our local radar doesn't show anything happening yet, but this all changed. We are under this flash flood watch beginning tomorrow morning, and it's all because all this rain we see out here in Oklahoma, Texas, Arkansas, all this will continue to organize itself and move into our area. Chilly water temperature of about 75 degrees. So if you are brave enough, be aware that there will be another moderate risk for rip currents tomorrow, and the UV index will be high. So make sure you're doing everything you can to protect your skin. Well, this is certainly not a bad way to end your Saturday here in the Gulf, along the Gulf Coast, showing some calm conditions. We hit a record high of 81 degrees today. Our last record was 80 degrees set back in 1944. So just barely beat it, but this is the third record that we have set this week. Good afternoon, everybody. I am Lesley Huffmaster, and I hope that everybody is enjoying this beautiful day. This is a live look at our battleship live cam. Just a nice day out there, pleasant conditions. The skies will continue to clear. Evergreen and Destin, you're the warm spot on the map, sitting at 74 degrees. So if you're out there on the beaches, it's a nice day for that. This is Good Afternoon Gulf Coast. I am Lesley Huffmaster with a look at your forecast for today. We're taking a live look currently at your Orange Beach cam. We can see some boats out on the water and also a few stray people out there taking a walk. Just a nice scene. It was a pretty day, but all this is going to change as we make our way into our Saturday afternoon. But currently we're sitting at 74 degrees in Orange Beach with that southeast wind at 6 miles per hour. So not too windy out there, but just a nice day. We're under an enhanced risk for severe weather tomorrow. It's going to be a weather alert day. So make sure you have our WKRG app downloaded, and also so that you can receive all the latest up-to-date watches and warnings. This could get upgraded to a moderate risk for tomorrow, which is 4 out of 5, but we'll have to wait and see what the Storm Prediction Center wants to do actually for tomorrow. So just the main story again, we're at an enhanced risk right now, which is a 3 out of 5. The primary threat for tomorrow is going to be that straight line wind. Again, it is just likely that this is going to happen. It is not a guarantee. So things change. The weather is an ever-changing thing. You just have to stay tuned so you know exactly what's happening and when. So the main threat again for tomorrow is the wind, that straight line wind with that squall line that's going to be moving through our area. It's going to be rather slow moving, so we're also concerned with some flash flooding that could potentially happen, and of course tornadoes and hail are something that we're concerned with as well. So again, just keep it tuned here and stay up to date online and also on the air, online at WKRG.com, and again, download our app. So for tonight, warm and muggy, not a good hair day. Thunderstorms will be moving in for tomorrow, and once they pass through the area, we'll be much cooler and dry though for your Sunday. Currently 74 in Mobile, 79 in Calvert, 80 degrees over there in Jay in the Florida Panhandle. And our radar shows really nothing happening now, so it's a good evening to get out and about in Mobile if you are able to. We are under this flash flood watch though, all in advance of this approaching system that is off to our west, organizing. This is part of a large upper level low that is going to be pushing into our area. All this rain associated. We've had a history of severe thunderstorm warnings associated with this line in Oklahoma and into Texas. So all that will move through the area tomorrow afternoon, and we think that it'll be even more organized and a little bit more potent. So here we are at 2:30 in the afternoon tomorrow. Storms knocking on our door, getting their act together. This is expected to come after the peak daytime heating, which is going to fuel the fire and give us that enhanced risk for some severe weather to come through. Again, this line is going to push off to the east rather slowly, which is what is giving us that flash flood concern. Once it finally pushes through though, we'll dry and clear out quickly as those winds shift out of the south to out of the north. And for Sunday, it looks like a nice day. A little bit chillier though, so 69 degrees overnight tonight, muggy and mild with a brisk 15 to 25 mile per hour wind, so hold on to your hats if you go out for that after evening walk. 77 for our high tomorrow with winds south at 10 to 20 miles per hour. That will of course increase as that line pushes through the area. And tomorrow you have a 90% chance of needing that Green and Phillips umbrella, so make sure you grab that as you head out to the Strawberry Festival over in Lesley. Again, 77 for our high with that 90% chance of seeing some showers and thunderstorms. We'll wake up much cooler and drier on Sunday with a morning low of 53, 40s for your Monday morning low. But after that, we'll gradually warm up. We'll stay dry and sunshiny through much of the week with highs approaching 80 by Wednesday.